You might be saying, why are we packing? Well, my school has a 3-day camping trip. So I can't just go empty-handed. I have to pack. So I decided to pack with you. So let's get started. Oh, and this is my pink suitcase with this little ribbon imprinted on it. So all of the supplies we need is going to be in here, and some of them are going to be in this bag. So let's get started. First, we're going to pack my clothes. I have to wear something, right? Come on. So first, I have my clothes with my jeans, my shirt, and my socks, and my handkerchief, of course. Now my next pair of clothes are jeans and a shirt and a handkerchief and socks. And then just and our third pair of clothes are these. These are my jeans, my shirt, my handkerchief, and you get it. So, now, next pair of clothes, which I don't need the next pair of clothes, but these are for an emergency and unless I puke, which we don't want that happening. So I'm keeping it here as well. Now, time for my towels. Because of course we're going to shower then. So this is my bottom towel and this is my head towel for drying my hair. First, let's put my bottom towel. It's a big one. First, let's put my jackets in. So we have this Mickey Mouse jacket, which if I just cold, I can wear it. And I have this jacket which has fur inside. So soft. Which if I get really cold, I can wear these. Even colder if I'm in here. And now my hood. Hat cap. Yay! Now, time for my moisturizer for my face, my sunscreen, and my body wash. But we need some place to put it. So we're going to put it in this bag. Pink bag. So now, we have to put all of this over here. Put my moisturizer and my sunscreen. It's called rainbow sunscreen, but it's not actually rainbow. And my body wash. Now zip it. And keep it over here. Now, time for my hair accessories. First, my brush. Now, my clips. Let me just be there. Now, my butterfly clip and my rubber band. Now we have to close the zipper and put it here. Done. Now we have to pack my backpack. First, we're going to pack my goggles.